Happy birthday po, Nay. Mahal na mahal po kita and I wish you the very best.
Nay, happy birthday. Kahit na nag-aaway tayo by phone, I'm still here. Kahit na matigas ang ulo mo rin paminsan-minsan, but I always love you. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday.
Witnessing the 75 wonderful years of life, love, faith, and family for our beloved Nanay Josie.
First, thank God that we have a mom na she sacrificed herself for us. And you deserve more than this actually. Thank you for taking care of us.
Almost every day, she teaches us, like, wag maging tamad, you know. Be grateful for everything. Ngayon lang ako nang-attend ng birthday ng nanay ko. Sana, I wish na makauwi every single birthday of my mom.
Happy 75 birthday sa'yo. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Alagaan mo sarili mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. Ang wish ko is good health pa rin sa'yo kasi yun naman ang number one. Tapos, nagpapasalamat ako unang-una rin sa Diyos dahil we were able to celebrate your birthday na ganito ka bongga. Para sa atin, syempre, bonggang-bongga na to. Yun ay sa kabutihan ng Diyos. Blessing ng Panginoon to sa atin.
Our dazzling celebrant, Nanay Josie.
May God continually strengthen you. Bigyan ka nawa ng Diyos ng good health, kapayapaan, and yung remaining years ng dumating sa inyo pong buhay ay mas maging fruitful pa kayo para po sa Panginoon.